Is your system execution path getting interrupted by the AppX Deployment Client DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm ready to repair your OS stability. Before we get into the technical process for AppX Deployment Client, you can find a professional diagnostic utility for system environment review. This is the AppX Deployment Client, the AppX Deployment Client module. It serves as the primary unmanaged interface for client-side requests to the AppX Deployment Service, AppXSVC. It manages the orchestration of package installation, registration, and removal for modern Windows Store, .AppX and .MSIX applications, facilitating the data link between the local user shell and the centralized app repository manifests. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. This error indicates a corrupted or missing Windows system file. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to restore core components including AppX Deployment Client.dll. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with AppX Deployment Client. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Installing an unverified version of AppX Deployment Client.dll is a common security pitfall that can inadvertently bypass your system's built-in execution safeguards and firewall. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. For users transitioning to structured maintenance, the link below references tools related to AppX Deployment Client and registry optimization. If this fix repaired AppX Deployment Client dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.